So hello everyone, welcome to EduTap, and guys, welcome to your another important session in which I will be discussing with you the most important topics that are seen in PIB and are relevant for the examination of RBI, SEBI and NABARD. Coming to the topic, guys, today we will be discussing about the SMART program that has recently been launched, and along with that we will also be discussing about National Skill Development Mission, whose third meeting has recently taken place. But before coming to the topic, guys, I just wanted to give you a glimpse of this comprehensive guidebooks that we have prepared for you. So it contains all the important informations that a query that a student generally keeps in his mind. Queries कैसे आती हैं? They want to know about the organization. For example, many of you might know about RBI, but what about NABARD? You want to know what actually NABARD does. क्या क्या रोज मिलेंगे, क्या क्या हिरार्की होगी, तो वो यहाँ पे डिफाइंड है. इसके साथ यहाँ पे क्या डिफाइंड है? इट कंटेन्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन लाइक द रिक्रूटमेंट साइकिल फ्रॉम द फेसेस ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन, एज रिलैक्सेशन, the syllabus of the examination, previous year cutoffs of both phase 1 and phase 2, and resource list has been defined for phase 1, phase 2 and interview. And at the end, guys, there is a 6-step domination formula given here with which you could strategize your preparation. This guidebook is not just only available for RBI, guys. You can download the same for NABARD and as well as for the SEBI examination. और most important thing है, this is absolutely free. It is absolutely free. तो जिस जगह पे आप 4 to 5 hours devote करते हैं, keep on searching. 30-35 मिनट्स में सारे की सारी क्वेरीज आपकी क्लियर हो जाएंगी. एंड फॉर दैट देयर इज अ लिंक गिवन बिलो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ दिस वीडियो. क्लिक ऑन दैट लिंक एंड दिस गाइड बुक इज योर्स. एंड अगेन रिपीटिंग, इट इज एब्सोल्युटली फ्री. नाउ when I talk about this thing, guys, that is National Skill Development Mission, as I was discussing, so third meeting of National Skill Development Mission has taken place. Now for us the important is to understand about National Skill Development Mission because it is directly related to our syllabus, that is employment generation in India. Okay, now when I talk about NSDM, पहली चीज क्या है, लॉन्च कब हुआ था? वर्ल्ड यूथ स्किल डे पे, दैट इज इन 2015, which is celebrated on 15th of July. So static GA question that could be prepared is World Youth Skill Day is celebrated on which day? It is 15th of July. Launched by, so it is a very easy thing to understand. It is an initiative of skill की बात हो रही है, तो मिनिस्ट्री कौन सी है? मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ स्किल डेवलपमेंट एंड entrepreneurship. Then here it is saying it will be, that is to converge across various sectors and states to provide skill training activities. And if I talk about the objective, converge कैसे करोगे? To provide the overall institutional frameworks which could rapidly implement and scale up the skill training efforts or development efforts across India. Target was to train a minimum of 300 million skilled people by the year 2022, and it will be working on 7 parameters, जिसको हम 7 submissions कहते हैं. 7 parameters कौन से हैं? Institutional training, infrastructure, convergence, as the aim is suggesting, overseas employment, trainers, sustainable livelihoods, as well as your leveraging of public infrastructure. Now, how it will be implemented? It will be implemented in a 3-tier system in which your apex body will be there, which will be considering of a governing council, which will be chaired by Prime Minister of India. Then apex के बाद है executive. Execute कैसे होगा? Execution will be done by these 2 committees, steering committee and mission directorate. ठीक है जी. Now important here is you do not have to remember very in depth of this thing. आपको बेसिक बताना चाहिए कि 3-tier systems कौन से हैं. At state level, guys, it will be basically working under the state skill development mission. So this is about this organization. Now let's talk about this mission in a detail in the form of MCQs. तो थर्ड मीटिंग हुई, आपको बताओ टारगेट कितना था? तो मिशन ने टारगेट मिनिमम कितना ट्रेन करना था? 300. तो मिनिमम target here is to train 300 million people by the year 2022. Then is which of the following statements is or are incorrect with respect to National Skill Development Mission? Now, guys, important thing here is we always have to see this key kind of keywords in the examination in terms of statement based question. What they are asking, correct statement or incorrect statement? तो incorrect पूछा है. पहला क्या है? Its objective is to provide the overall institutional framework to rapidly implement and scale up the development efforts across India. We know this statement is right. It has 5 submissions. Answer is wrong. It has 7 submissions. Its apex level committee is chaired by Union Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. This is again right because its apex level body is chaired by Prime Minister of India. तो Prime Minister chair करते हैं, which means option number 2 and 3, option number B becomes our answer. So answer will be option number B. Now let's talk about the second initiative that we will be discussing is SMART program, which is basically launched for Ayurveda professionals so that they could boost the research and development, the R&D activity in Ayurveda. Now, what does basically this SMART initiative is all about? The SMART initiative is talking about that is scope for mainstreaming the Ayurvedic research in teaching professionals. So it is an initiative basically related to health as well as education. So the scope for mainstreaming Ayurveda research in training professionals. Now important here is what it will do is it will boost this scientific research in priority healthcare sectors with respect to Ayurveda and हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन. ठीक है जी, हॉस्पिटल्स में जो आयुर्वेदा कॉलेजेस हैं वहां पे आप किस तरह साइंटिफिक रिसर्च को बूस्ट कर सकते हो. दिस इज द पर्पस ऑफ दिस स्पेसिफिक इनिशिएटिव. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट who has developed this smart program, it is developed by NCISM, that is National Commission for Indian System of Medicine, along with CCRS, that is the Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Science. So this is the basic thing about this initiative. Now let's discuss this thing in the form of MCQs. तो बहुत easy question मैंने आपसे पूछा है कि smart program basically develop किसने किया है. So smart program, as we know, it is developed by option number A and B, that is NCISM and CCRAS. So this is all about this specific organization, guys. आपको एक चीज याद रखनी, इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज के हमेशा ईएसआई की न्यूज बहुत बड़ी होगी. ईएसआई न्यूज कुड बी वेरी स्मॉल आल्सो, लाइक अ नॉर्मल जीए न्यूज, but it should be related to syllabus. So if I talk about this, it is directly related to syllabus of social sectors health as well as social sectors education. So that is why small news can also play a very important role in the examination. So guys, this was all about the session. I hope you have liked the session. So if you have liked the session, kindly share the session with your friends also, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get more updates on the examination. To download the PDF, guys, kindly subscribe to the Telegram channel, the link for which is given in the description below. Still, if you guys have any kind of query, drop us an email at hello@aerotab.co.in, or you could even have a call with us on the number that is 81462 07241. I hope, guys, the lecture is fruitful for you. So keep preparing hard, keep working hard, and wishing you all the best for your upcoming examination. Bye-bye.